In this video, we are going to show you how to create visual boards in Poppy AI. Now, as you can see here, this is pretty much what a visual board is. So this is different from, visual, your board being visual, because that's already what Poppy AI provides you. So how do we do this? It's very simple, actually. It depends what your topic is and how you prompt it, right? So once you're in your board and you want to have the same results, so as you can see, we have visuals here. We actually have our mind map over here. So let's go down, right? And let's open a new chat. So like this, put it here, drag it to the left. And here we want, I'm going to zoom in a bit so you can see. This is pretty much what you want for a prompt, right? Depending on your topic, right? So I want you to make a mind map, then visuals after about the Kentucky Derby from the past decade, right? You can do this with, again, all the topic in the world and just press enter, wait for it to just analyze things. This does take some time. So as you can see, I'll kick off the mind map and search for Kentucky Derby data at the same time. There we go. So it's going to create the mind map first, and then it's just going to create something like this, right, on its own. So there we go, got the data. Now it's going to build the mind map. All right, the mind map is now live, as you can see here. It says, as you can see, it is now creating everything for us. Now, mind map comes with 7 branches. So it's now breaking down everything. And as you can see, this is the mind map over here. If we double click on it, we can just see everything. If you zoom in, you're going to see everything about the Kentucky Derby for the past decade, right? So let's do that. And here, as you can see, it is now creating some images, practically the same thing as this. Very similar, right? So all we need to do is just wait for it to load up. And as you can see, it is now loaded up pretty much everything. There you go. So that is how you do it. That is how it's, again, it does take a couple of minutes to do everything, but that is how you create visual boards in your Poppy AI. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.